grand and glorious Monday afternoon as we welcome you to the first official game of the Florida Marlins. Joe Robbie Stadium, resplendent this afternoon. A sellout crowd of 44,000 will be watching history with you. We're happy to have you with us. Hello again, everybody. Jay Randolph alongside Gary Carter. Been a lot of hoopla leading up to this. There's no need for either of us to do much cheerleading now. Rene Lachemann has his Marlins ready to go, and Lachemann charged, of course, with bringing this team to fruition. His 25 players on the field today. He is ready to go.
He is ready to go, Jay. We are ready to go. I think all the fans have been anticipating this for some time. They are thrilled and excited. So we are looking forward to the opening of the 93 season right here.
And of course, Rene Lachemann's team will be starting Charlie Huff today. We'll be getting Oral Hershiser for the Dodgers. And a bit of a surprise, Scott Pose in center field.
Well, Rene Lachemann set the precedent.